Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat.
I've been the same, ain't shit changed, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Azare and I am back with another video. In this video, you can tell by the title, I'm going to be installing a U-part wig. Now I have been using those a lot because they are less time consuming. I can just braid my natural hair down, slap the cap on, and take that baby right off anytime I want to and switch it in and out, just leaving a little bit to no or little hair out. When using U-part wigs, if you don't know, U-part wigs are wigs that are installed and they have an opening part, U-shape. They also have V-shape, but this is a U-part, it's U-shape. All the information about this U-part will be listed below in the description box. Now, if you love this look and you're interested in doing a U-part or starting a U-part beginner friend, definitely stay tuned to this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this hair and installing the U-part.
Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think this.
So, this is how I braided my hair. I braided my hair. I have, they call it the anchor braid. This is the braid that's going to actually clip on to the clipment attachment on the wig. And then I just braided my hair back, nothing fancy, and then braided the end. This is the hair. I love this hair, the texture of it, because it's a natural yaki, so I feel like this is going to blend well with my real hair. When I did my braids, I just did the leave-in conditioner that you guys seen. I got that from Burlington. It's like a castor oil stripping leave-in conditioner. And then to grease my scalp, I grease it with the argan oil scalp and conditioner grease. And then here is the wig. I'm just gonna brush it. Now in the wig we have combs in the back, we have combs on the side, and then we have combs right here. So I'm just gonna clip it. If you guys can see, I'm gonna clip it to that braid right here.
I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me I too fry, I get.
Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is brush it down, and then I'm going to straighten the leave out a little bit more so it could blend in. For the straightening, I am going to use my edge wax stick. I am natural. I've been natural for years, so I barely straighten my hair, and this helps my hair stay down, don't frizz, and when it's hot out, it helps. It conditions the hair as well. Okay, so you can either use this. I just use two products. I use the edge wax and some spritz. The spritz is what firm holds my hair. Do what works for you, but these two work for me. You can either do these two, or you can do Salon Quality Weightless Heat Protectant Spray. I use the African Pride Olive Miracle. It has tea tree oils, this, and spritz, either one.
Back it up high, you look right. They body die me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. You got your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Baby, I have burned now, you twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. Oh please, you need a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Baby, I have burned now, you twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Overall, I have to say I love this hair. I love that it's easy to maintain. This blends with my hair perfectly and it's straight. I didn't have to take out a lot of hair. The hair is awesome. You are also able to straighten the hair with the straightener. The best thing I would say, as I showed you in the video, I would say the best thing results if your hair is humidified and doesn't work well in humid situations. Like me, I live in Atlanta, so it's very hot here. So I will say spritz will be the best friend. I sprit my hair when I put the heat protectant in it and the wax, and it laid lovely. This is a very affordable style wig. I mean, getting it is something quick, easy to put on your hair and go about the day. This has lasted me for a few weeks now because I don't keep it on. Maintaining it, I usually just detach it from my head and then lay my hair flat and put my scarf on until the next day. And I keep the plastic bags that they come in, and I just put it back in the bag, brush it, put it back in the bag, because it's not, that's how I usually care for the hair. I don't really put product in it. I just straighten it and use a detangling brush. A detangling brush will be your best friend. Thank you guys for so much watching this install. I hope you enjoyed me fixing my hair. It looks awesome. Like I said, everything about this unit will be listed below in the description box. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next video, I'm out, kings and queens. Bye.
2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. One time bust a shot for my champion girls. Tell them guys super size me a combo.